Imagine making money even while you're sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? This is the power of passive income. Passive income is the ultimate goal for financial freedom. It means earning revenue without constant active effort. Making money while sleeping is a metaphor for systems that generate income automatically. Once set up, they work for you 24/7. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn regardless of whether you're actively working. There are several proven avenues to start generating passive income. Let's look at some of the most popular strategies. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables is a fantastic way to earn. You create it once and sell it infinitely. Affiliate marketing and blogging allow you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Sales can happen anytime, even overnight. Real estate is a classic passive income source. Rental income, whether from property or other assets, provides steady cash flow with minimal daily effort. Investing in dividend stocks or peer-to-peer lending generates returns that you receive passively. Your money is working to make more money. Passive income requires a strategic approach. It's not completely effortless, especially at the start. All passive income streams demand significant front-loaded work. This could be creating the digital product or setting up the investment portfolio. Once established, utilize automation tools for marketing, customer service, and scaling. This minimizes the ongoing maintenance. Achieving passive income is a journey, but the reward is financial freedom and the ability to earn around the clock. Remember, the best strategies involve digital products, real estate rentals, and smart investments. Choose the path that suits you best. Don't just dream about making money while you sleep. Start building your passive income stream today.